In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Cursor AI language. If you're using Cursor's built-in AI, you can control the language it uses by simply telling it what you want, right in the chat or the prompt bar. There's no hidden setting to hunt down, just a clear instruction, and the assistant will follow it. To switch the AI to English for your current conversation, type "Always reply in English." Send that as a normal message, just like any other prompt. From that moment on, the assistant will answer in English for this conversation. If you want it to use another language, give the same kind of instruction, such as answer in Filipino. The change is instant, and you can proceed with your actual question immediately after that line. A quick note on where to type this. Use the chat area at the bottom of the panel or the floating prompt bar, whichever you normally use to ask the AI for help with code, explanations, or edits. The instruction affects the language of the assistant's replies. It doesn't alter your code, your files, or the editor settings. Remember, this basic instruction applies only to the conversation you're in right now. If you start a new chat or open a fresh thread, just repeat the line so the AI knows your preference in that context. It's lightweight, fast, and keeps you focused on your work. If you want the preference to be more consistent across replies within the same conversation, use a slightly stronger phrasing. From now on, always respond in English unless I say otherwise. This wording helps the assistant hold the language steady during longer back-and-forth sessions and reduces the chance of drifting or mixing languages as you iterate. A few tips for smooth results. Put the language instruction at the very start of your session, before your main request, so every answer that follows comes back in the language you expect. If you paste content in another language and notice the AI starting to mirror it, just restate your instruction in a single clear sentence and continue. If you decide to switch languages mid-conversation, send a new one-line instruction, then proceed with your next prompt. That's all you need. No plugins, no configuration menus. A plain sentence in the chat or prompt bar sets the tone. Try it with English, Filipino, or any language you prefer, and use the stronger wording when you want the choice to stick throughout the exchange. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Cursor.